In this video, we will understand how you can access the new sales and delivery report at the super admin level. This report has been specially enhanced to make sure that the data loads faster and will also enable you to download the historical data in the Excel format. Now, if in case you want to search for any of the details, you can click on the filter. You can use either the filter for the customer or for the odd number and click on apply. You will be able to see the detailed report about that particular order or the customer here. You can similarly choose the delivery option and see the details about that particular order. When you click on download historical report, you have the option to download the report as per your requirement. You can click on generate report, choose the date filter. You can even go to the last month, current month, and even choose the particular date range and click on update. You can choose the store code in particular or download the all store codes data. Once done, you also have the option to select the further filters like customer, order number, laundry and dry cleaning. You can choose it on the basis of user, source and payment mode. Once you're done, you can simply click on request report and within few seconds the report will be downloaded and you can go to the Excel and access the report. Once you are done, you can also go back to the reports and see for the further orders or for the further customer details if required. The moment you click on download, you will be able to see that this has been downloaded and you can access this in your Excel format. I hope you now understand how you can access any order or the customer's details in the sales and delivery report along with downloading the historical report.